Welcome back to our channel. This time, we are going to take a look at the most extreme dangerous transport skill, operation of oversized trucks in the world's biggest heavies equipment machines. Put simply, these are some of the biggest and most demanding heavy haul operations in the world, requiring extensive skill, accuracy and communication to get massive weights moving safely and rapidly. The incredible machinery and the even more impressive operators who are able to do this unbelievable transportation magic. We start with the road titans, the large haul trucks. These large trucks are built to transport some of the heaviest payload across difficult terrains. Haul trucks with capacities that have grown far beyond enormous are equipped with immensely powerful engines and reinforced structures, allowing them to literally carry hundreds of tons at a time. The engineering and operator skill by these massive machines is absolutely astonishing, as they effortlessly maneuver around corners. In a subsequent post, we will discuss the versatility of self-propelled modular transporters (SPMTs). Put simply, SPMTs are heavy-duty trailers used to carry extremely large loads and finished industrial components, as well as bridges and even completed structures. The transporters have many axles and wheels that can be steered independently, which makes the vehicles highly maneuverable. Obviously, to manipulate these kind of massive loads with such accuracy requires quite advanced technology and a high level of skills. Oversized loads moving through urban environments present numerous problems. This is where the skill of drivers and the innovation of steerable dollies are used. Steerable dollies so that weight can be spread out evenly and moved through tight corners and narrow streets. Seeing a team of operators deftly coax these behemoths through congested cityscapes is proof positive that coordination and exactness is achievable at this absurd scale. In transportation operations, oversized cargo needs to be lifted and placed in heavy-duty cranes. They are built to carry out highly reliable heavyweight lifting operations. modern cranes, they come with much more sophisticated control systems, safety measures in place to make sure that complex lifts can be undertaken efficiently and safely, and this includes lattice cranes. A heavy-duty crane picking up and moving large pieces of equipment with such precision is an engineering wonder and a testament to operator experience. Low-buoy decks are the only means of hauling tall and heavy equipment. With a low deck height, this trailer provides stability and ease of loading oversized equipment. Not just anyone can load these huge machines onto lowboy trailers and secure them. It takes a great deal of planning and precision, as you can imagine. The video is a great example of transport engineering at work as you watch the large lowboy trailer pulling massive pieces of machinery across numerous different terrains. Massive objects through confined areas features the use of specialized lifting equipment, such as jacking systems and gantry cranes. These systems are used to give the mechanical lift and stability required to properly relocate cumbersome instruments and buildings. The presentation of engineering ingenuity alongside the operator's skill is pretty mesmerizing to watch, especially when these special lift systems are handling 1,000-pound weights. That concludes our heart-pounding exploration of this high-stakes, high-risk world of moving larger-than-life freight with the largest heavy equipment in the world. These are the type of ops which demonstrate the skill, accuracy and craftsmanship that goes into managing some of the most difficult of transport tasks. If you like the video, follow our channel where we share impressive things from the heavy equipment and large operations world. Our tour of the world's most amazing feats of engineering and technology will continue next time.